I built the engines for my massive cruise ship, but I didn't test them. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing some Stoneworks, and today we are adding some engines to my cruise ship. Here's the engine room. I might have to make it bigger, I don't know. But anyways, let's get into the video. God, this thing is laggy. It's so laggy. But actually, the first thing I need to do is actually add doors to these bulkheads. Since last video, I didn't decide to do that. It's going to be an odd number of doors. No, it's going to be it's not going to be centered in it. I'll just get the mirrored version done. Then I'll add then I'll delete the extra block needed. Why did I make these so close together? Oh wait, no, that's not the engine room. Why did I make them so close together? How many did I add? Jeez. Oh wait, here's the engine room. Boom. Don't worry guys, I will get to making the engines. And so I'm just gonna make holes just so I can walk through the ship. Then after I'm gonna add doors after I make the engine. I think I put too many. I don't think a ship needs this many bulkheads. By bulkheads I mean watertight compartments. The doors are the bulkheads. Now we're at the end. Jeez. Where do I even... Can I even get down here? I might need to add that. I think this is the crew area. Oops. Ladder. Oh. I made it one block too big, but that's actually fine. Now we have access to the lower level. Good. Anyway, now let's actually make the engine. Okay, so what engine am I going to use? Search up engine. I'm going to use a 3x3 modular. engine. It's actually going to be raised off the ground and also right up against the wall. Because the way I'm doing it is going to be boom, boom, like that. Anyways, now let's make the engine. I think that's enough. I'm pretty sure cruise ships usually have 4. But you should correct me if I'm wrong. Oh, that one plonked wrong, I think. Yeah. No! Plonk. Hit the engine belt and the engine starter. No. Now I'm going to need this engine to start. Boom. So now that it can start, I can copy it. Copy. Will it fit? Oh, barely. Barely. Yeah, this one needs to shrink. It needs to be that big actually, because I'm having 4 damn engines. Oh, and I didn't even leave enough room for the modular clutch. So yeah, that's good. Now I am copying over this engine. Oh, I hope this thing goes fast. I'm also gonna need 4 microcontrollers. Just quickly, I'm going to actually connect up these engines with a red manifold, since your cylinders have to be connected. It's if when you use a modular engine, and then you're not having an inline. Yep, that's good. Now let's get to the important stuff, like coolant. air. I'm gonna have 2 air. So boom and boom. Boom, boom. Place. Place. I am actually gonna move this. Place. Oh wait, no. Place. 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 I need a pipe. You go there. Let me search pipe up. Let's get a straight pipe enclosed. Angle enclosed. As well, and also just a normal angle, and also a T. Now let's get the pump. Fluid. And then it's just gonna go up. Flip it around. Okay, this is right under a bed. Oh, and I can't even do that. I have to go up. Which means I'll have to go through the walls. I have officially gone through the walls. Now through the walls again. Now up and up and up and up and up. Up, 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 up. Now this is where the enclosed pipe comes in. Yet having a pipe run through the entire side of the ship, it's still watertight. Let me just place down these pipes. I think this one goes that way. And that way. Now, is it connected? Almost. Boom. Have the air done. All I have to do is go back up here. Actually, make that into a turn. Which direction is the ship going in? Okay. And a pipe angle enclosed. There and there. There and there. Place. Place. Place, place, place. Place, place, place. Place. And now let's get the port. That port. Actually, no. Yeah, this port. Be surrounded by blocks like this. No. Gonna keep it like that. Let me just quickly get a wedge. I will just copy this onto the other ones. The inverse pyramid. Boom. Oh. Boom and boom. Now let's copy this. Don't forget to also copy the other side. And press copy. Boom. And yep, that's all the air done. Now let's do, where's the entrance? There. Since that's the air done, now we're going to do the I'll put the fuel at the bottom, and just to also make it nice and stable. Pipe. Angle. And then blow after does that. That. Okay, what I'm going to do is actually make it stick out a bit. It before the ports, just so I know it's constantly going to be pumping. Now I've got to do that for the other one. So I haven't even added the coolant. Hence why I can just do this. Oh wait, no, I still need to do this. Now let's just place down my pipes. It's not that one. It's actually this one. Boom. Now I'm just going to copy over my coolants. A pump. Copy. need to make sure the coolant's on the manifolds. Yeah. And now that I've got coolant, F-U-E, fuel. Is that fluid in or fluid out? Fluid in, yeah. Yes, the fuel tank is gonna be right under the center of mass. I'm gonna have an active stabilizer in here eventually. So in fact, I'm actually gonna cut off the place where the stabilizer is actually gonna be, and I'm gonna make sure I redirect the fuel into the 2 fuel tanks beside the stabilizer. I need to make sure they're the same size though. One is 16. Now time to direct the fuel pipe. Right there, right? No, it's there. Pipe angle. And I'm just quickly going to make the pipe that will go down into the fuel tank. Look for that side. Now this side I need to do the same thing. Annoyingly, and we just punch a hole there. No, let me punch a hole there. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Sometimes in builds we do have technical issues. But that's completely fine. Down. Down. Not that. And I just stole a port. Plonk. Boom. Boom. You just grab that. And boom. Boom. And now I just need to place that and fuel is connected. Oh, wait, no. And place that and fuel is connected. But I need the fluid spawner. If I can find that. Fluid spawner. Oh, this ship is going to use some diesel. What's next? Got fuel, cooler, and air. Exhaust. That's what I need. I'll put the exhaust together inside this wall. Now let me just get an enclosed straight. Should now be meeting in the wall, yes. Now let me get a enclosed T-piece. There's the enclosed T-piece. Place that. Place that. This one, is there a wall here? Nope, I can't go all the way up the wall, damn it. I have to go up. Then they'll meet in the middle. And I'll go out here. Then if I just quickly go and then if I get a wedge. Boom. 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 Need to delete that, delete that, delete that, delete that, and delete that. I'm gonna put in all the pipes in a minute. I'm just working on the funnel. Actually, I think I can make the funnel air go inside. So let me just carve this out. Carving out a funnel. Yeah, I can also get rid of that top bit. Now, let me just quickly get the straight pipe enclosed. Make that go all the way along. Boom, and now let's put that in, angle it down, oh wait, no, that's the T-piece. Angle it down, bring it all the way down. Casually bring it through a wall. Boom. Then just straight down. Boom. If I get a port, is there a big one? Yeah. So if I just put this in, angle, let me just get rid of that. Boom. Now I've got an engine that hopefully should work after I add the propellers and clutch. Clutch. Eng. Clutch. Yeah, I left just enough room for the clutch. Which is... Bye. Be there. Yes. That should be there. Let's make it go in a little. This one actually has to escape first. Before it can even go down. Boom. Boom. That one's also connected. Let's now make it go through the bottom of the ship. Why wasn't mirror mode on? Oh no. To redo everything because mirror mode wasn't on. There. Now I have to restart. Boom. That this is just like angle. Right angle. Another pipe angle. Now over here. Down. Not there. There. Now let's put the pipes in. Boom. 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 Boom, 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 boom. 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 We've actually made it go a bit too far. Now let's just quickly get that in. Let's get a prop. This is for sure a kind of boat that needs a giant prop. Oh, I can place it one block high. Oh, I placed it one block higher, that's fine. But actually, if I place it another block lower, then there would be more clearance. It's off the boat. So I'm gonna place it. Yep, that's good. And now, anyways, that will be the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Peace.